I only have 8 minutes before I hop on a call with a new member of our program who already paid $1,000 to join our program. And I'm going to blow his mind. He's going to learn something from the call that he has never learned and probably he has never heard. Now, why am I telling you all this? Is because I wanted to take today's video inspiration from this video of Alex Hormozi. It sounded quite interesting how to grow your business so fast it makes your accountant nervous. And I have been watching the whole video for 36 minutes. I took notes. I used my AI agent to summarize the video line by line, and I loved it. But the problem is you will hate it. And if you do, then remember at any point, if you hate this video, if it is too technical, if it is something that you are not looking for, then I have a solution for you. Go to this link moshbari.com or scan this QR code and watch this free training. From this training, you will learn about digital marketing, how to start your side hustle, and how to make $960 commission like Anirudh. Anirudh made this commission yesterday. And the day before, Akshat made another $500. Although Anirudh and Akshat are not beginners, but our program is 99% done for you. So despite being an experienced marketer, they took advantage of this 99% done for you program. And it is open to you as well. So the first part of the training is free. You learn everything about digital marketing, how we make money, how our members and affiliates make money, and how we can help beginners with the 99% done for you program. However, the second part of the training is an offer. So we will make you an offer. If you like it, you accept it. If you don't like it, we are still friends. Now back to this video. This video is so amazing, but I could not find anything to share with you because he's talking about business. And the people who follow me, they don't want business. They want a side hustle. In fact, side hustle is not even a main hustle, which also means no commitment. Let's break down commitment for a moment. You remember you went to school for 12 to 18 years without ever asking why you're going to school. This is called commitment. You remember 9 to 5 that probably you still love to continue. You are selling 8 hours per day of your life, which is 1/3 of your day of your life to your employer. Whether you have any job or not, you go and stay at work from 9 to 5. That is commitment. And because of these commitments, you got benefit from school. You get benefit from your 9 to 5. Now, when you say side hustle, it's a hustle. It's something that you just want to try. And you want to try it on the side. It's like a dessert. You may try it, you may not try it. The main item is your 9 to 5. That also came from your school. What do you expect from your side hustle? You can expect the amount of seriousness you give to your hustle. If that is low, then your results will be low. If your seriousness is high, then your results will be high. So I'll give you an example. Somebody just messaged me on Instagram. I asked him, "Oh, where are you located?" He told me, "I am on Earth." And then he asks me, "Why you don't answer me?" I told him, "Listen, the reason you are not getting answer because you did not ask any question. I asked a question, you gave me answer, although this answer is either arrogant or you're trying to hide something. It's okay, but you gave me answer. You did not ask me any question, so you did not get any answer from me." And the second reason you're not getting any answer because you believe that there is some reason for which you should not get answer for your questions. So now he asked me, "I want to earn from websites for free." So I told him that is the third problem. You are looking for something free. How can I answer you if you are looking for free? So I have no answer for you. I have free content. Keep watching my content as many times as you want and have a lot of fun because you are not even taking it as a side hustle. You are taking it as a free hustle. When you're asking for something free, it's already in your mind that you can get something for free, which also means that the people around you will also want things from you for free. Which means you don't even believe that you can sell and people will buy and eventually you can make money, which is the fundamental of business, which is also the fundamental of money, and which is the fundamental of this video. So let us assume for a moment that you understand business means value and money exchange. There is nothing free. And you are here to build a solid business to make real money. We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success. But we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel, because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video.
And maybe you're not growing as fast as you want right now, and it's probably because you're trying to fix a problem that might not actually exist.
That is so weird. If a problem doesn't exist, how can you solve it? The first problem, my friend, is in your mindset. The mindset of free money.
And so most businesses have one of two core problems and they don't know which one they have. And so I'm going to show you how to identify which one of the two you have and how to fix it. I'm Alex Ramosi. I own Acquisition.com, a portfolio of companies that generate north of 200 plus million a year as of 2024. So whenever I look at a business, I always want to understand this one triage question up front, which is this a business that is supply constrained or is this a business that's demand constrained?
My business is all about digital products or services. So it's never a supply problem, which also means there can be demand problem. You know why? Because when supply is not a problem, it is everywhere. So the demand is always going down. That makes the whole digital marketing extremely vulnerable. If you got a 9 to 5 and a side hustle and your bank account still looks like it's on a vacation, you might be solving the wrong problem, or you might just be doing the wrong thing.
It's probably because you're trying to fix a problem that might not actually exist.
So you might be running ads, you might be creating content, you might be buying shiny objects, or you might just be watching videos. But what if your hustle isn't broken? You're just solving the wrong problem?
So here's the big idea. You can either have too few customers or too little capacity, but never both at the same time.
So think about it. If you doubled your ad budget, let's write it down here. If you double your ad budget, will it equals to double your sales or not? Or will this double ad spend will create a mess? Which one is that? If you answer that it will create a mess, then you have a supply problem. And the supply problem can only happen in physical products. That's why we do not do physical products. We do digital products. However, a digital product, let's say a software, if this software doesn't work, or it fails to load, or it is just buggy, or it is just clunky, then again, my friend, you have a supply problem. And when you have a supply problem, you have to fix this, and fixing will cost money. Now, do you understand a little bit the problem of being a product owner? The solution for beginners is not to become an owner. Instead, become an affiliate of a product or a program, because affiliates don't have this supply problem.
So think about a consultant who's completely booked. So full schedule, 3 months ahead, working 60 hours a week, always stressed out. Yet despite all the work, his or her income has stopped growing.
What do you think is the reason?
Right, so what does he do with this little free time? Well, he makes more content, he runs more ads, and he tries to get more leads. He's trying to fix a demand problem that he doesn't have. So the truth of it is, he doesn't have a marketing problem. He has a supply problem that could also be a pricing problem.
Because the marketing problem is the problem of an affiliate. Affiliates enjoy an amazing life, the life without a hassle of supplies. The affiliate, however, is completely responsible for marketing. And marketing these days is the easiest than ever in the human history. One of the examples of marketing is me, myself, and this guy, Alex himself. What are we doing here? Alex makes a video, and the video gets 81,000 views in just 3 days. Well, I make a video. Sometimes my videos get millions of views, even just one day. However, that's another interesting thing. Do you really need millions of views? It depends on a lot of factors, but if you make sure that every piece of content builds trust and authority, then you do not need millions of views for marketing effectively and get customers, get sales, and make money. So yes, this consultant may not have a marketing problem, but you, my friend, if you want to become an affiliate, your life will be easier than a consultant or a product creator. But you will have one challenge, and that is the marketing challenge, which is also the easiest challenge.
Now, he might be afraid to raise prices that much, and he might be like, oh my God, I'm losing all my clients. But what's actually going to happen? So let's play it out. So let's say about 30% of his clients leave. But if he doubled his prices and 30% of his clients left, he'd make more money while working with fewer people. And so here's the double benefit of this, is that number one, he makes more and he services fewer. So he also frees up time. It literally kills two birds with one stone. He literally makes more money and has more time.
Whether you're a beginner or a professional, you need to understand this fundamental. And this one fundamental helped me quit my job about a decade ago. High price or high ticket products or services. This gives you better quality customers and much less hassles. High paying customers also come with high patience and high tolerance. But as an affiliate and as a service provider, your tolerance should be lowest possible. Literally zero tolerance in providing your products or service to the clients. Make them so happy that they come back to you asking to buy from you over and over.
Sometimes the path to growth isn't more clients, it might be better clients.
That's what I was saying. A good example is our 99% Done For You program. When we launched this program, it immediately attracted high quality customers who also referred high quality members. So the whole environment was high quality and they were action takers. And you can see the result for yourself. I can scroll on and I can show you high ticket commissions from beginner members endlessly. I have tons and tons of low ticket products. I remember one day a $17 product customer reached out to me saying that the product has an issue and he's looking for the solution. Then he said that the product, which is an AI book writing software, doesn't write unlimited pages. It only writes 19 pages at a time. So I wanted to explain to him that, hey, AI is not free. You got an AI software that writes books for you at a one-time price. So it comes with a little boundary to generate a maximum of 19-page book at a time to encourage people not to waste the expensive AI, which will go from our pocket. And immediately he was pissed. He said, that's exactly the reason I bought the program. Then I asked him, what is your marketing plan with the books that you're writing and you're going to publish? He said, I don't have any. So he doesn't even know what is supply and demand, but he's complaining about why a $17 one-time price AI book writer doesn't write unlimited pages. But these guys were totally different from day one. They were more focused. They knew exactly what they're looking for, and they have much higher patience because they're simply higher quality customers. However, I don't have any problem with low ticket products or low ticket product customers because every product cannot be high ticket. We keep buying the low ticket products. So as a businessman or even as an affiliate, we need to have a giving mindset. Some customers will be happy, some customers will be unhappy. But if we have a giving mindset, we can just deliver what we promised and move on. I hope this video was helpful. You can go to moshbari.com or scan this QR code to take the free training on how we run our digital marketing business using AI and a 99% Done For You system, and how we help busy beginners just like yourself earn high ticket commissions just like this. The training is completely free to watch, and at the end of the training you will learn about our program. So what is stopping you? If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family, because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.